Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. My name is Jenna Tungo. So today I'm going to show you how I did this box braids. Hope you're going to find this video helpful, and if you do, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So guys, the braid extension that I'm going to use is by a Lash Hair, and I bought color 2/30. Okay, so I went ahead and sectioned my hair into 28 boxes. So what I'm doing right now, guys, is just taking my Shine Jam gel, and I will apply it on the roots of my natural hair. Afterwards, I will divide my natural hair into 3 sections, and then I'm going to braid it just like you can see me doing. So I'm going to braid it all the way to the very end. So once I'm done with the braiding my natural hair, I will take my braid extension that I'm going to crochet. But before that, I'm going to take a smaller portion and put it aside, because we are going to crochet this smaller portion onto our natural hair. So I'll be taking my crochet needle exactly as you can see, guys, and then after which I'm going to pass it through my natural hair. And then I'm going to place my braid extension onto a crochet hook, close the hook, then I'm going ahead and pull the hair through. And then before I start braiding, guys, I'll just make sure that my natural hair, or rather my braid extension, are of the same length. So after I'm done, guys, I'll take the bigger piece and then I'm going to put it right at the top, and I will start braiding. So I'm going to braid all the way to the very end. It is easy, right? So be sure to subscribe for this and many more hair tutorials. Guys, so this method is for all my sisters who don't want to use rubber bands onto their natural hair. I believe that this technique is very beginner friendly as well. So if you've never braided your hair before, then this method is to go for. Like you can see, it is painless and it is very easy to achieve. So I'm going to braid all the way to the very end, guys. And also, if you've never braided your hair before, I'll advise you, because with me, I'm also learning how to part my hair. So before you start braiding your hair, especially for beginners, just do the boxes first. Make sure you have your boxes, and it will kind of guide you on how many braid extension that you are going to use. So with this look, I used 6 packet of the Lash Hair. I only used 6 packet of this braid extension, and like I said earlier, I made 28 boxes. So with me, I'm also learning how to part my hair. Of course, my hair, or rather my parts, are not like the perfect parts. So if you are trying to start to learn how to do your boxes, or rather box braids, be sure to part your hair before you start installing your box braids. So I'm going to explain to you again. I'll take my Shine Jam gel, and I will apply it on the roots of my natural hair, just to give it some sleek look, and also to kind of blend in with the braid extension. Then afterwards, guys, I'll just braid my natural hair exactly as you can see in the video. Then I'll take my braid extension, divide it into 2, and I'm going ahead and take the smaller pieces of this braid extension, and I'm going to crochet it exactly as you can see, guys. I'm going to pass it through my crochet hook, close the hook, then pull the hair out. And then before I start braiding, I will make sure that the strands of this expression braid, or rather the braiding hair, are equal enough before I start the whole process of braiding. And then I'll just go ahead and take the bigger piece that we left aside, and then I'm going to start braiding. It is as easy as you can see in the video, guys. And like I said before, if you've never braided your hair before, then this method is to go for. As you all can see, it is very easy. And also, if you don't know how to grip the roots of your natural hair, then this technique is to go for as well. And another thing that I forgot to mention is that when you braid your natural hair, don't make the roots too tight, okay, because you want to make sure that your braid extension passes seamlessly through your natural hair. So don't make it too tight, because if you do, girl, you're going to cause a lot of tension onto your scalp, and you don't want that, okay? So when you braid your natural hair, braid it loosely, so that by the time you'll be passing your braid extension, it doesn't like hurt your scalp or cause any tension, okay? So yeah. So guys, I'm here again to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, okay? If you have watched this video till here and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, okay? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, you can comment in the comment section down below, and also can leave your post notification on, so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video, okay? And I will truly appreciate your support here, guys, okay? Okay guys, so we are doing the same thing, applying my Shine and Jam gel on the roots of my natural hair, and then I'll go ahead and braid it just like so. And then afterwards, I'll take my expression braid, and then I'm going to split it into two, and I will take the smaller piece out of the braiding hair, and then I'm going to hook it onto a crochet hook, exactly as you can see. Close the hook, then pull the hair through, guys, okay? And before I start braiding, and always remember this, make sure that your braid extension is equal, okay? And then after that, I'll take the bigger piece and I'm going to place it right at the top, and I'm going to start braiding, okay? So I'm going to braid all the way to the very end, guys, okay? Hope you're following, and if you do, let me know in the comment section down below. If you're going to try this hairstyle as well, please let me know in the comment section down below. And again, if you have any questions or concern, please leave them in the comment section down below. Okay, so I'm almost finishing, and be sure to stick around for the final look and just see how this hair turned out, because I'm so excited for you all to see, and just to also motivate you, especially if you've been wanting to do your hair and you don't know how. So this is the easiest, or rather this is one of the easiest method you can do your box braid, especially if you don't know how to grip the roots of your natural hair, or if you don't want to use the rubber band method. Then this method here is to go for, I'm telling you, okay? So yeah. Okay guys, so I will allow you all to watch and just follow along exactly what I'm doing, and hope you're going to find this video helpful. Please, if you do, let me know in the comment section down below, okay? On to our last braid, and I'm super excited for you all to see how this hair is going to look like. So I'm just doing the same thing, nothing has changed, okay? Applying my Shine and Jam gel on the roots of my natural hair, and then I'm going to split it into three, and I'm going to start braiding. Okay, exactly as you can see, guys, it is very easy. Like, anyone can literally do this hairstyle, guys, I promise you. And then after that, guys, I just take my Shana Jam gel and I'm going to apply it on the remaining part of my natural hair, because I wanted it to blend with my, you know, braid extension. I don't want any hair picking out of the braid extension. So guys, after passing the smaller piece of the braid extension onto my crochet hook, I'll go ahead and take the bigger piece and I'm going to place it right at the top, guys, exactly as you can see. And then I'll start braiding. And I'm going to braid all the way to the very end of this extension, okay? So guys, this is how I got to do my box braids. Hope you guys have learned something. And again, guys, if you did learn something out of this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section down below. You can share this video as well to, you know, any person that you wish this video is going to be of help to them. And I will truly appreciate all your support here, guys. Okay, so here I am just braiding my extension, and I'm going to braid it all the way to the very end. Okay, and once I'm done with the braiding this hair, I will go ahead and just trim off the excess hair that we have. Okay, and then afterwards, guys, I'll just moisturize my scalp. I'm using my coconut oil just to, you know, ensure that my scalp is nice and moisturized, because again, you don't want to have any itchiness. After which, I'll just go ahead and dip this hair in hot water, but please be careful. Okay, take a lot of precaution when using hot water into your hair. Okay, but if you have someone to kind of help you to, you know, put your hair into hot water, please seek for assistance, because sometimes it can be messy. Okay guys, so after which, I'll just take my hair mousse and I'm going to apply it onto my braids, exactly as you can see, guys. It will really help in taking care of all the flyaways that we might be having here and there. And guys, this is the final look. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I will see you in my next video. So bye for now and take care.